welcome back to my channel, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. And so for today, I'm finally gonna give you my review for my FERRON bags. And it took some time, but I do have a proper reason for that, and I'll tell you guys later. But anyways, here it goes. Okay, so let's talk about the brand. So FERRON is a UK-based company. It was established in the late 2018, early 2019 based on their website. And I got to know this brand through Instagram and also YouTube. I found out through Despina. I'll link her channel down below. FERRON is from a Latin word. It means iron gray hair or one who is habitually dressed in gray. So, okay, I memorized that. But anyways, their logo is also an elephant, which is very nice. And they are supporting Sheldrake Wildlife Trust. So every time someone purchases their bag, they donate £10 to the Sheldrake Wildlife Trust so that it kind of supports the elephants, the orphan elephants, and by the time they're healthy again, they can go back to the wild. That's what I understood. So it's actually very nice because every time you buy, you support, which is good. So if you want to know more about the brand, definitely I'll link their website down below. And if you have any questions, feel free to message them or comment down below as well. Okay, so let's talk about the shipping and packaging. So for the shipping, it was immaculate. I think I got it on a weekend and they ship it on a Monday. I got it on a Thursday. So I got it in 4 days. So shipping wise, I give them 10 over 10. It was really nice. And again, for packaging, so it comes in, of course it has a plastic, but it comes in this box. It's just very nice. It's just very thoughtful. It really made me smile. I kept this box because of course it's recyclable, and I'll show you a video on how I recycled it. Well, I mean, if you can see the background, you see all those boxes. My cat loves boxes. Anyways, the mission of the company. So I'll try to take a picture of this and just put it here because I do have a lot of things to discuss. And then it comes with a dust bag. So this one is just in black canvas with a drawstring closure. I like it very much just because it's not too small. It actually has a lot of space, but that is for the shipping and the packaging. Okay, so let's talk about the material of the bag. So this blue one has this soft leathery feel, and for the black one, it's more of the pebble type of leather feel. Both of them, wait, I forgot to show this. This is the reason why I didn't make the review, because I waited for this brown one. And anyway, so the blue one and the tan one, they're both with a smooth finish. And for the black one, it's the pebbled finish. So the thing is, it feels and it seems like it's real leather. You wouldn't really tell the difference. It's actually, it smells better than leather. I prefer the smell, but I mean, anyways, the material outside is polyurethane and the lining inside is microfiber. Both of them are recycled products and they're very durable. I really like the material just because it's recycled. And another thing is, I think they're waterproof, if I'm not mistaken, because I checked polyurethane on Google and it's raining every day in Austria, so it's still good. Okay, so for material, I'm very happy that they're trying new things and it's more sustainable, more ethical. And I haven't bought any leather bag after I tried vegan bags, so I think that's good. Of course, I will not throw my leather bags away, but still, I feel like venturing out and trying something new is very nice. So I have more opinions and more thoughts about it, which is good. So for materials, I am giving them a big thumbs up 10 as well. I don't really have bad comments about this bag. I'm not trying to be biased, but it's just good. Anyways, okay, so let's talk about the bag. So this one, they only have one signature bag. That means they only have one design in 3 colors. Of course, in the future, they're going to release other stuff, so stay tuned in the future, definitely. But for now, they have this signature bag in 3 colors. The blue is the only one in silver hardware. If you're particular with your jewelries, then I recommend you to get the blue one if you want silver, and you have 2 options for gold, which is the black one and the tan one. Okay, so let's talk about the measurements of the bag. So of course, as I said, it's their signature bag, so definitely the measurements are gonna be the same. Just so if you want reference before you buy this bag, or you just want to check it if it's too small or too big for you, then for length, it is 21 centimeters. For height, it is 16.5 cm. And for depth, it is 10 cm. So that is for the measurements of the bag. And it does have a removable and adjustable strap. This. Woohoo! So anyways, this one has 5 holes, so you can adjust it depending on your body type and height. So for me, I put it on the last part because I'm quite chubbier than the other people. And also it's winter, so I have to wear a lot of stuff, so it gets bigger. But anyways, the handle, I forgot to mention the handle itself, it's 5 cm. And for the adjustable strap, it is 23 inches to 25.5 inches. Just so if you want reference on how long this strap is and for the size of the bag. So for this one, the lining of the black one, as I showed you on the unboxing, is this luscious red. Very nice. There is 2 compartments here on the other. This is the front where the logo is at, the first compartment. There's 2 here inside and 1 with the zipper. And of course, there's a card holder. Just 1. For the one at the back, basically it doesn't have like a divider. It only has 1 and a slip pocket at the side. So one major difference between all my bags, the black slip pocket at the back. Basically, the pocket inside has this very huge bump here, so it occupies a lot of space inside. That's the main difference, but anywho. So I'll show you the lining and the color of the blue one. The lining for this one is this creamy whitish lining. So for this one, I really like this one just because there's variations of the lining inside the bag, even though they're exactly the same bag, just different hardwares, different colors. Even the lining is different, and very thoughtful of their customers, because you don't just get the same bag in different color, but also the inside is different, so it kind of gives you a whole different experience for me. Okay, but definitely the pockets inside are all the same. So for the tan one, this is my newest one. Gold hardware, same size, same. They have a strap, and I do love to accessorize my bag. So I have this. This is this cute fur ball, but it's of course faux fur. I have a different color. I actually have 2 if you want to accessorize your bag. So for this one, I still have my stuff inside. The lining inside is just a lighter shade of brown. So this one is more of like a brown as well, but it has a touch of orange. But the one inside is really like a usual nude brown. So it is lighter than this one. This one can give you a little bit of an orangey brown color. This one is the full-on brown, light brown. So same, they have the one at the back has a slip pocket, the one in front, 2 compartments, and a zip pocket. That's what's inside. Okay, so let's go to the pros and cons. So for the pros first, for me, I thought I was gonna have problems with the shape because it is boxy. It does look like a lunchbox, right? I thought I was gonna have problems with it because sometimes if you do have a boxy type of bag, it might go like this on your hip. But actually, it rested really nicely on my hip. I'll try to show it to you, so I'll try to put this on. I also mix and match. This is the blue one, not the black. But anyways, it doesn't go up like this, like how I thought it's gonna go, but it actually just rests like this. It's very nice. Oh, I thought it's gonna be too short or something, but it's okay. As long as you adjust the the strap according to your height and body type, then you're not gonna have problems, and you don't have to worry about the bag going sideways like this. It just rests straight, which is very nice. So that means easy access to your stuff. You can just like open it. I'll just get up again. Anyways, just like this, open, get everything out. I also thought that this is gonna be a problem because it's at the back, but honestly, it's not difficult to get your stuff here. Just like that. It's like this, that, and voila, it's done. It's not very difficult, very generous opening, so that's what I really liked about it. Another thing is it's versatile. For the black one, you can use it in any clothing. Again, for the blue one, I have never had problems because blue is my favorite color. I have a lot of blue bags, so I can just pair it with the brown one. I don't have a lot of brown bags. Oh yeah, this is my second brown bag ever. And I wanted to try it out because I wanted to try something new. And I've been using it this whole week. And it's very nice. I thought I was gonna have problems with it, with the pairing up, the color, but I'm actually liking it, so I'm glad about that. So yeah, and all the essentials can fit here and more actually, because of course in other mini bags it's really just your compact, your wallet, your keys, and your phone. But here you can put more actually. It's very nice, and that's one more pro. And it's just that it's light, you know, when you hold it, it doesn't even have a weight. I feel like it. And then if you put stuff, hi, hello, then if you put stuff, then it doesn't really weigh on your shoulder. Even though the strap is not so thick, it doesn't really hurt your shoulder here, so that's one good thing. So for me, the shape is nice. I like how versatile it is. It is waterproof, I think, because I've been using it almost every day, and it's been raining in Austria, so again, it does smell good. That's one more thing. And for me, I like how it's easy to put stuff, generous opening, and it can fit a lot of things. Those are my pros, basically. Technically have one or two cons only. So for the first one, I just wanted this bag to actually have feet. And hello to my special guest here. I want it to just have 4 metal feet just because this one's very flat. So once you put it down, it just goes flat. So I think it might just have problems when it comes to like water, coffee, or just getting scratched or getting wet. So I just want the bag to kind of like, you know, last longer. So I think the 4 feet would be very nice to have. And this one doesn't apply probably to all, but the one slip pocket that I mentioned a while ago just bothers me because it actually makes the space inside smaller. So for the other 2 bags, that didn't happen, but just for the other one, kind of like it's kind of wider, so accumulates a little bit of the pocket. Honestly, out of all the bags that I'm trying right now, FERRON is this bag that I don't have so much complaints because first and foremost, they're very, very transparent. I can ask the owner anything I want. They really just answer you honestly, so that's one good thing. Anyway, so yeah, I mean, not much complaints about it. So only those 2, the slip pocket and the feet. Everything else is good. And okay, so I'm just gonna give you some mud shots. So for reference, I am 5'1" in good days, 5 feet in bad days, but I like to say that I'm 5'1". But anyways, I'm just gonna give you some mud shots. So that's my height for reference. I'm also a bit chubbier, so keep that in mind just in case you're gonna get the bag. For the strap, as I said a while ago, I put it on the last hole. It rests well on my hip actually, so it's not difficult. Very easy to get all the stuff. You can use it as just a handbag, it as a crossbody like this. Fits nicely. You can use it as a handbag. Okay, so for the last question, is it worth it? So basically, I got the blue one. Evola. I got a black one. And I got this last week. The tan one. So is it worth it? Why ask me? But anyways, yes, it is. So it is kind of pricey if you check it and compare it to other vegan bags. But the thing is, it's very high end. I mean, once you see the dust bag, once you see the bag, it's very nice, very sturdy, and it's structured. The only problem for me is the bottom part. If there's feet, that would be lovely. But for now, I mean, doesn't have any scratches. Very, very nice material. So those are like my comments, and I really think it's worth it if you want to try out something that's durable, very high-end vegan leather bag. Then this is the brand to get. And I hope you find this review nice. So pretty much that's it. I feel like this brand is very nice. For me, it's worth it. And if you have any questions about this brand, please feel free to comment down below. And I'll put the link of the shop, FERRON, down there, and their Instagram page. If you want to ask them any questions, feel free to send them a message on Instagram. And if you want to try this bag, I have my code here. Also, if you want to ask me any questions or try to find me, I'm on Instagram and Facebook. I'm more active on Instagram, so you can try both of them. It's here. If you want to ask me anything or follow me, it's here. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys had a good time and you've probably found a new bag brand. And yeah, so please give this video a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!